Okay, I have enough left to do 2, and I'm just going to kind of pour, I think. Man, this is so nice, isn't it? I know I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. I could do this all day long. I need a little person to sit here and hand me tiles and clear out the ones that I've already done, or canvases, or whatever. And I could just do it all day long. One thing I'm running into a little problem with is I think I used some older white paint that was already mixed in a Floetrol bottle, and it was causing my paints to kind of break up. So I need to find that bottle and not use that again, because you don't want all your beautiful stuff to fall apart. Because if you can see on this one right here, let me see, got a glare. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of breaking the paint apart. So we don't want that. We want to keep everything intact. That's probably going to be a big mess. It looks like it's just completely breaking up the paint. These, I did not use the white in there. I'm going to torch this, but I don't think that it's going to do much of anything. Just moving it around a little bit. But the white, like I said, it's causing everything to kind of break up. Oh, I got that too hot, smoked a little. But hopefully the last few that I did won't give me a problem. We'll keep our fingers crossed. All right. And it was house paint that I used, the white house paint with Floetrol. And that, golly, I don't know how long that's been. Months and months. So you can't really store paint and it work properly. At least house paint. All right, thanks.